Yo, what's going on? My name's Tommy Clark. I run social media over at Triple Whale. I also write a newsletter that goes out to about 4,500 subscribers every single week. So writing is a big part of what I do as a marketer. And if you're in marketing, you're a solo founder trying to build your personal brand, or you're doing anything that involves social media or writing emails, newsletters, even scripting videos for platforms like TikTok, it all goes back to copywriting. So I've taken a lot of the courses you've probably seen out there and read a lot of the books you've probably been recommended, especially if you're here on Twitter. I'm sure there are plenty that have been thrown in your face. Out of all of them, Copy MBA has been the one that's been most effective for me in taking all that information and packaging it in a way that's super consumable. It's actually entertaining to watch, which is weird because a lot of these courses feel like college lectures and you're sitting there for hours and hours watching this professor just drone on. Mason does a great job of not doing that and making this course fun to watch. It's also super applicable. After every single module, I think there was some sort of template or some sort of strategy that I could take from the course and start applying today, whether it's in my social media copy, my newsletter, other client work. So overall, super helpful. Mason and Chase did a great job on this course. Would highly recommend for anyone who wants to just become a better marketer. Again, whether you're doing social media like I am, writing emails as an email marketer, even making video content, having this skill in your toolbox will make you a much, much better marketer. So I would highly recommend Copy MBA.